In this portion of the show, we're going to talk some more about the group we started and even play more of the songs. Stay tuned.
They become uncomfortable with their position. If you just play your position, never going to work out.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And so, but yeah, man, we I think we touched a lot of people, man, and
Yep.
And it was something good. It was definitely something good.
Yep. That's why I say
So.
if I know that, because like you said, there's people not asking you for that CD. I know because I got people on my Facebook say, "I played it so much, I need another." And you know, so I know it touched some people. Like I say, if we didn't touch but one person, then the word got out. You know. But we know we reached more than one person, but still we know we was doing. I really feel in my heart we was doing what God had for us to do at that time.
Oh, no doubt.
Because I know the enemy was fighting bad, man. The enemy was fighting. I can remember when we wouldn't sung at that comedy club. And the power went out.
Yep. Hey, we're just gonna keep singing.
Yep. And when the power came back on, we was right there, right with the same music was right there still on the same spot.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Kept singing.
So
when stuff happens, man, you just gotta be ready.
Hi, my name is Joyce from Sacramento, California, and I watch the Restoration Inspirational Show hosted by my brother, Joseph Jordan. Be blessed.
And now, let's listen to the song Praise to Him, written by Dathan Williams and Joseph Jordan, music by Ivan Johnson, leads Dathan Williams and Jason Carter. Be blessed.
There's nothing that I'd rather do than giving my praise to you. Giving my praise to you. There's nothing that I'd rather do than giving my praise to you. Said I've been striving in every way to be like you, Lord, each day, and learn to love. Yes, I've had my shares of troubles, and I've had my days, in a struggle, but I put my trust in Him and found the way. The word. I know at times life becomes so weary, but He promised He'd never leave. He's by my side. He's my guide. He's everything I need. Everything I need. My shelter in the time of storm. With Him I can't go wrong. No. I'm giving my praise to you, yeah. This praise to you. So I'll be giving my praise to you. My praise. There's nothing that I'd rather do than give my praise to you. Giving my praise to you. My praise. There's nothing that I'd rather do than give my praise to you. So many places, so many faces, empty within, nothing to fill their spaces. But I know that joy does come in the morning. If you know that Christ is the answer. giving my praise to you. I'm giving my praise to you. There's nothing I'd rather do than giving my praise to you. Said I'm giving my praise to you.
It's gotta be ready. But,
Gotta be ready. Yep.
Yeah. So.
Oh, hey, this song right here. And I see now this is one that I know that cause we never recorded it, but we used to do it all the time before we start. And I can't imagine. I can't imagine.
Yeah.
Not being in my life. I can't imagine. You're not being there for me. I can't imagine. Something.
My life would be in shambles, turned upside down and on the ground.
Yeah. I forgot that part.
Some people come, some people go, in and out of salvation.
Yeah.
They cannot win, Jesus Christ, so I sing.
Yeah, we didn't record that song.
Nah, we never did that one.
But we had that was one that we had the music that you done in the garage. That's one of the ones you did the music to.
Yeah.
We never let Ivan hear that one.
Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know. It's just, I don't know. Just didn't finish, or it was the reason why we didn't do it, but.
Yeah, but we was doing so many things, man. It's like, I think it's like maybe 3 or 4 other songs that we didn't do either.
Yeah, we had a few. We would just, we would just write as many as we could, and then the ones that stuck out to us are the ones that we did. I think that's what it boiled down to.
Yep. Watching Over Me. We got that.
Mm-hmm.
We got that instrumental from David Crawford.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Watching Over Me.
Yeah, I know I got this. I don't know why this thing won't open. Now I gotta find the CD.
That's what I call myself getting stuff ready, because I'll go play a couple while we was talking. I'll go play a couple of the tunes while we was talking. But I said, well, I can, when in the midst of us talking, I can just shoot it in on the edit.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah. But yeah, man, we definitely had a good time, man. I've been every blue moon I try to reach out. Jason, Jason know, man. He know we got love for him.
Right. Yeah, I talk to Wesley quite often. Like I said.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, I haven't talked to him as much, but I know we when we do talk, we don't miss a beat. I know he's doing the movies. He did ask me to work on some music for a soundtrack, and it just got away from me. So.
Thank you for watching this portion of the Restoration Inspirational Show. Man, it has been a ball so far. Hey, I want you to know something. Hey, remember this now. This show will restore you, renew you, and transform you. All you gotta do is watch. Thank you. God bless.
My name is Simona, and I watch the Restoration Inspirational Show with your host, Joseph Jordan. Thank you for watching, and be blessed.
I got another partner who just sent me a bunch of tracks, and I'm listening, and I'm like, I hear what you're doing, but in my mind, it's like, you got to get on your own stuff, get back on your own stuff.
Right.
But I am gonna tap in with Wesley.
Yep, hook up with him.
Mm-hmm.
And Kelly, check him out.
Yeah, did I see Kelly? I thought I seen him. He wasn't at the homegoing service. I think I seen him a couple of weeks before that.
Right.
So every blue moon, I'll reach out to him,
Okay.
See how he doing.
But man, as always, I appreciate you coming on and giving me this time for us to reminisce about old times and things. And like I say, I'm glad that you are getting back into your music and things, and looking forward to hearing more. And
no, for sure, man. Anytime you want me on the show.
Yes.
Yeah.
Got to have you back. Got to have you back. I'm looking for another one of them some type of video. Actually, I know since y'all probably gonna videotape the the homegoing.
Yeah.
Right.
The memorial service. We that's in the works.
But again, thank you for coming on the show, man, and make sure you tell the family I said hi.
I sure will.
And all the rest of the good loving people back there that I ain't seen in a while.
Steph or whatever hit me back.
Okay, man. You take care. Love you. And again, right, thanks for coming on the show.
All right, man. Love you too, man.
Bye-bye.
God bless.
Again, I want to thank Dathan for coming on the show. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Hey, we hope you enjoyed the show. I really had a ball with my friend and colleague, Dathan Williams. Man, and we talked about the step of faith and played some of the songs that we wrote and produced with the group together. Man, it was really a ball working with that young man. Hey, God bless you, brother. And again, we want to thank you guys for watching the Restoration Inspirational Show. Remember now, this show will renew you, restore you, and transform you. Hey, you might as well watch. Tell your friends and family about it. Again, I hope you really enjoyed the show. And as always, I don't like to do a lot of talking, but we're going to come back at you again with another one. So, hey, stay tuned to the Restoration Inspirational Show. Again, I'm your host, Joseph Jordan, a.k.a. JoJo. God bless.